Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix TikTok couldn't play video error. Before we get into our video, there are about 3 reasons as to why your TikTok might not be functioning well. The first option that can be is because your Wi-Fi connection is poor. So if your Wi-Fi connection is poor, then make sure to check your Wi-Fi connection and get a better Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is just perfectly fine and if your TikTok is still not functioning properly, then second step that you can take is go to your Google Play Store. Once you go to your Google Play Store, on the search bar, all you have to do is type TikTok. Once you tap on TikTok, you'll have to check whether your app is up to date or not. And if your app is not up to date, then you can see option update right here. Since my TikTok is not up to date, all you'll have to do is tap on the update button and wait for some time for your TikTok app to be updated. And if your app still doesn't work after being updated, then it might be a problem due to the server. If it's the problem from the TikTok server, then it's not the TikTok only from your device that's not working properly. That's a server's problem, and there's nothing we can really do when it comes to the problem of server. So we'll have to wait until they fix the problem so we can reuse the TikTok again. And if it's not any of the problem that I mentioned earlier, and if your TikTok still doesn't work, then all you have to do is tap on your TikTok app for about 5 seconds. Then you can see an uninstall button right there. You can uninstall the app and reinstall it and try to use your TikTok application once again. Those were some easy step-by-step tutorial on how to fix TikTok couldn't play video error. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.